often, especially among new traders, the frustration of trading are mostly due to lack of methodology. So, mentoring these traders early in their journey with a complete method is what's going to help them the most. And when it's not possible for someone to become his own trading coach, then getting outside help from an experienced guy can overcome these obstacles. I personally coach senior traders with more than 20 years of experience, and I also mentored straight beginners. One of the absolute best ways to learn is to go over many of our winning historical patterns and live trading examples. I will build your confidence factor by accompanying you during our live trading sessions. There, you'll be able to see firsthand what we do, how to establish your trading routine, how to prepare your trading session, and learn how to minimize your risk and exposure. You too can invest successfully. I and many others did. All it would take from you is dedication. So come and join us to the ID Trading Academy and start reaching out to your own financial freedom.